So ito po yung ating racing boy na footrest, no? RB footrest full set na version S3, no? Suzuki Belang Black. Yes, finally we got the black. Kasi before the IRBF, wala tayong nakitang black doon. Ang available nila silver, which I don't like lang din. Ayan. Then may kasama siyang sticker. And then yes, it's black. No. So, yun nga lang sa kasamaan pala, wala na naman silang available na mugs for the Raider na SP522, which is the 5-spoke. Ang meron lang sila doon sa Makina Moto Show yesterday, it's the RB10. So, I don't like because madami siya ng spoke. And ang plan ko talaga kay Raider is to be lighter ng kahit paano, no? Maging light siya, which is good for the underbone, for the King underbone na maging